Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look back at a period in history that, honestly, felt like something out of a movie. Remember those early days of 2020? Yeah, me too. We're talking about the COVID-19 pandemic. And trust me, even if you think you know everything about it, there are some seriously surprising facts we've dug up. We're talking global impact, wild scientific developments, and even some positive things that came out of a really tough time. So buckle up because we're about to uncover 10 shocking facts about the corona pandemic that you probably didn't know. Let's do this. So, picture this. Wuhan, China, a bustling city with street vendors and markets. It all seems normal, right? Except, hidden amongst the everyday life, a new kind of virus was making its way from animals to humans. Scientists believe that the virus originated in a seafood market in Wuhan, likely jumping from bats to an intermediary animal, and then to humans. It sounds like a sci-fi movie plot, but this is how the pandemic began. Now, I don't know about you, but when I first heard about a new virus, I definitely didn't think it would become a global pandemic. But this virus had other plans. It spread like wildfire, quickly making its way from Wuhan to other parts of China, and then, within weeks, to countries all over the world. It was incredible and terrifying to see how quickly the virus traveled, affecting nearly every single country on Earth in a matter of months. It was a stark reminder of how interconnected our world truly is. As the virus spread, it became tragically clear that our healthcare systems were not prepared for a pandemic of this scale. Hospitals around the world were overwhelmed with patients needing critical care, and healthcare workers were working tirelessly, risking their own lives to save others. It was truly inspiring to witness the bravery and dedication of these healthcare heroes, but it also exposed the fragility of healthcare systems globally, a wake-up call that we need to invest in and support our healthcare infrastructure. Chapter 4, The Domino Effect, COVID's Economic Earthquake. Okay, so we've talked about the health impact, but the economic fallout from the pandemic was like nothing we've seen in generations. Businesses were forced to close, millions of people lost their jobs, and global markets went haywire. It was a domino effect, with one industry after another feeling the impact. Governments scrambled to provide financial aid and support, but the economic scars of the pandemic are still felt today. Chapter 5, A Race Against Time. The vaccine's rapid arrival. Now, amidst all the uncertainty and fear, there was a glimmer of hope. The race for a vaccine. Scientists around the world worked day and night, collaborating and sharing information at an unprecedented pace, and guess what? They did it. Multiple effective vaccines were developed and rolled out in record time, showcasing the incredible power of scientific innovation and collaboration. It was a true testament to human ingenuity in the face of a global crisis. Chapter 6. The New Normal Life in the Time of Lockdown. Remember those early days of the pandemic? Empty grocery store shelves, social distancing, and the constant fear of touching our faces? Life as we knew it changed overnight. We all became intimately familiar with terms like lockdown and quarantine, and our homes transformed into offices, schools, and gyms. It was a crash course in adaptation, forcing us to find new ways to work, learn, and connect with loved ones. Okay, this one might surprise you. While the pandemic wreaked havoc on our lives, it actually had a temporary positive impact on the environment. With lockdowns and reduced travel, air pollution levels dropped significantly in many parts of the world. We saw clearer skies, cleaner water, and even wild animals venturing into urban areas. It was a powerful reminder of our impact on the planet and offered a glimpse of what a greener future could look like. Chapter 8, The Silent Struggle. The pandemic's toll on mental health. Now, while some of us found ways to adapt and even thrive during the pandemic, the reality is that it took a significant toll on our collective mental health. Isolation, fear, uncertainty, and grief. These were emotions that many of us grappled with. Rates of anxiety, depression, and loneliness skyrocketed, highlighting the importance of mental health awareness and support, especially during times of crisis. Chapter 9. Making it work. Innovation in the face of adversity. Despite all the challenges, the pandemic also sparked a wave of innovation and adaptation. Businesses pivoted to online models, restaurants embraced takeout and delivery services, and telehealth became the new norm for many. We saw incredible acts of kindness and community support, with people coming together to help their neighbors, donate to those in need, and support essential workers. It was a reminder that even in the darkest of times, human resilience and ingenuity can shine through. Chapter 10: A World United and Divided, Global Cooperation and Conflict. The pandemic was a true test of global unity. We saw instances of incredible cooperation, with countries sharing resources, medical expertise, and data to combat the virus. But sadly, we also witnessed conflict and division, with some nations hoarding vaccines and engaging in blame games. The pandemic highlighted the complexities of international relations, reminding us that we need to strengthen global cooperation and solidarity to address shared challenges. Wow, we covered a lot today. From the virus's origins in a Wuhan market to the global race for a vaccine, the COVID-19 pandemic was a period of unprecedented challenges and changes. But it also revealed the incredible resilience of the human spirit, the power of scientific innovation, and the importance of global cooperation. If you found these facts as eye-opening as I did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay safe.